Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to copy a Gmail message on your PC with the latest updates. Whether you need to share an email or keep it for your records, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're in your inbox, you'll see all your messages lined up. Now, let's find the message you wish to copy. Browse through your list of emails, or use the search bar at the top if you're looking for something specific. Just type in a keyword related to the email and hit enter. Easy, right? Once you've located the email, it's time to select it. Click on the message to open it, but here's the update. You can easily drag and drop the message directly from your inbox. Click on the email and, while holding down the mouse button, drag it to wherever you want on your screen. This can be your desktop, a different folder, or even another application. When you've successfully dragged the email, let go of the mouse button. Now it's time to copy that message. Simply right-click on the message. A menu will pop up. Select the Copy option from this menu. And that's it. You've just copied a Gmail message on your PC. You can now paste it anywhere you like in a document, another email, or a note. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.